Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be bringing you guys a get ready with me using some new makeup products. This video is way overdue. I was supposed to film this video probably a month ago, maybe 2 months ago, but I'm just now getting around to filming this video. So get into the video, I want to share with you guys 2 perfumes that I received from Dossier. If you guys are not aware of Dossier, they are a perfume company. They bring you guys high quality perfumes for a very great price, and the dupes are pretty much spot on. So the 2 perfumes I picked out are Fruity Jasmine as well as Floral Jasmine. Fruity Jasmine is a dupe for the Dior perfume, and some of the notes that's in this perfume are like green leaves, sweet pea, jasmine, peach, sandalwood, plum, and musk. This one, the Fruity Jasmine, is definitely my favorite one, like by far. This perfume is very soft and sweet. I have not smelled the original Dior perfume, but this Fruity Jasmine smells so good. Like, y'all, it smells so good that I actually want to put some of this on right now. Like, it really does smell really good. In each box they do come with like a little sample size, because you do not have to commit to the full bottle. You just use the sample size to try it out. If you don't like it, send back this bottle inside of the box. And also inside of the box, it just says iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. So this is really cute. The second scent I picked out, like I said, is Floral Jasmine. This one is not a bad scent at all. Like, it's really not, but this one is a lot stronger. And like I said, it does come with the little sample size here just to try it out. Inside of this Floral Jasmine, some of the notes are pepper, which I can definitely smell that, because like I said, it does have a spice to it. It also has some jasmine in here, broom flower, and vanilla, and a whole lot of other things. Like I said, this is not like my favorite of the 2, but it's not a bad smell at all. Yeah, the sizes of these perfumes, like, it's a lot in here. So if you guys are interested in Dossier, I will leave their link down in the description box. And also, if I have a coupon code, I will leave it on the screen. So go ahead and check them out. And yeah guys, let's go ahead and get into this makeup look. I would just be taking a super cheap brow pencil to do my brows. This is one that I use all the time from the beauty supply store, and it's only $1, so And next I'm going in with my favorite brow concealer. This is the LibraGang Pro Concealer in Espresso. This is the only concealer I have been loving to carve out my brows with, because I just don't really like the super light concealer up under my brows anymore. So yeah, I just always use my go-to, which is the LibraGang Pro Concealer in Espresso. Okay, so now that my brows are done, I will be taking my favorite primer, which is the Rimmel Stay Matte primer. Definitely one of my favorites from the drugstore. And for my foundation, I will be taking the ColourPop Pre-Fresh Foundation. This is in the shade Deep Dark 185W. Now, one thing I can say about this foundation, for some reason when I apply it, it does come off orange. Once I blend everything together, it pretty much all comes together. So as y'all can see, I have the foundation on and it is coming off orange. I'm not exactly sure why. Even well, when I look in the mirror, it doesn't look as orange as it does inside of my camera. Like looking at myself, it looks pretty orange, but we're gonna keep going. Now I would just be taking this Juvia's Place concealer. This is in the number 11. And now I'm just going to be taking my Fenty setting powder in the shade Honey. And now I will be taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep to set my entire face. I will be using one color on my eyelids today, so I'm going to be taking this Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette by Morphe, and I just want to go in with like a natural color, or I think I want to go in with Homebody and just place that all over my eyelids. I don't think I want to put on any lashes today, so I'm just going to go in with some mascara and eyeliner. I'm just going in with this L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. Then secondly, I will be going in with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. And now for my bronzer, I will be taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills Mahogany Bronzer to bronze up my face a little and bring back some color, because right now it looks all one shade. Now for my highlighter, I will be taking one that I pretty much use all the time. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter in Awesome Blossom. And I'm just going to be taking, and I'm just going to take a little bit of this, not too much. So now I will be setting my face. So first I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Lasting Fit setting spray to set my face. Then after, I will be going in with this Manica Dar like hydrating spray. For my lips, I just want to keep it simple, so I'm going with a brown lip liner and then some gloss. So first I'm going in with this Milani lip gloss in Champagne, and then after that I will be going in with my e.l.f. lip plumping gloss in Champagne Glam. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I really do like the way this makeup look turned out. It's just super simple but also beat at the same time. So I absolutely love this. As y'all can see, what I was saying about the foundation, it did come off orange, but once I finished my whole face, you cannot tell at all. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, if you did, give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.